This is a Sunbeam one-touch space heater that has not been used in several months. It has been sitting in the garage for the time being. In here in just a second, I'm going to run it for the first time in a while. I made a video of this thing on my main channel like almost 3 years ago. And I have my temperature gun with me. So I'm going to be measuring the temperature of the air that this thing emits. It's a little bit of a chillier day today, so I saw this as a better opportunity to do this, so let's turn it on. Start with low. Smells a little bit funny. Yeah, the air's kind of lukewarm right now, but I imagine that within... Oh, it's heating up. Never mind. Let's put it on high. And as you can see, it has a thermostat of its own. Obviously what that does is just shuts off the heater when it reaches that temperature. We'll just let that run. See how hot the air gets. And I think this is like a 2014 model. I think that's at least when we got it, about 2014, 2015 range. I don't know if this has a data sheet on it or not. After I shut it off, I'm gonna check beneath it and see. Of course, I'm not gonna do it while it's running because it could be a little bit of a fire hazard. That would not be a good situation. But yeah, it seems to be blowing out pretty hot air. Got up to 180 degrees at one point. It's a really good heater in my opinion. Works really well. And in my opinion, it works better than the Fahrenheit space heater we have that's about 21 years old now. I don't know if I made a video of that on my on this channel or not. I know for a fact I made a video of that on my main channel like over 3 years ago. And if I have not made a video of that on this channel, I'll do that soon. Jeez, it almost hit 200 degrees at one point. Just go ahead and turn it off. Alright. So as you saw there, it's working great as it should. Like I said, I think this is from about 2014. And I don't think it has like a data sticker, like a piece of paper, but it's like engraved on the bottom of the heater, as you can see there. There's all the information. I don't think the data's written there, written on this heater anywhere, but therefore I have no way of knowing when exactly this thing was manufactured, but I have a rough idea of when it might have been made, which again was about 2014. Maybe a little bit before then, but I don't think it's more than 10 years old. But yeah, that is the one-touch Sunbeam space heater. and back there are where the heater coils are, where the heat, it sucks air in from the back and it blows it out the front. So, yeah. Out.